Okay, I just got my Innocent Luxury Premium Easy Braid Series Easy Twist Hot Water Curl braids in the number 1. That's the color I got. So I just got all these in the mail and I'm getting ready to install these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 packs. I doubt that I'll need 6 packs. But yeah, I have 6 packs here and this is how it looks. And every single time I try to get these braids, it is sold out everywhere. So I finally got these. I also got this jumbo braid hair accessories, the cuffs. I want to put some on my hair. I got the wrong size. These things are huge, but I'll work it out. And I have my closed top weaving cap by Donna. I don't know if I'm going to use this or if I'm just going to very simply reuse my old one that I just took out. Oh, wait a minute. I think I see an extra hole here. Yeah, I might be using this. But anyway, I'm getting ready to get started. It'll probably take me about an hour to hour and a half or something like that, because I do take my time to put this in. And when I come back, you'll see the install. Okay, I'm back. It is the next day. I got really busy and I couldn't come back the same day. Anyway, I've just been so busy, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys as soon as I finished. I finished yesterday, so this is how it looks. I did put some flexi rods, not flexi rods, perm rods, the small perm rods on the ends so that I could curl it, and so that's curly there. And I'll show you how it's looking. And I got a pack of the jumbo cuffs. They're called jumbo cuffs. I put 4, there was 4 in a pack, and I just to add a little something to the look. So I'm going to turn around so that you can see. That's how it's looking there. Okay. And the side and other side. Okay, so that's how that's looking. And I already showed you everything that I used. What I did not tell you was how many packs I used. This is how it looks. And like I said at the beginning, I got this from Hair to Beauty when they had the free shipping. This was a picture that made me get it. I wanted these tiny twists. I just love it. But anyway, this is how it looks. And this is what it says, which I'll read it right quick so you guys can see it. And I did have a little bit left, and I can't believe it. I just about used 6 packs. I don't use 6 packs of anything, but I almost used a full 6 packs. And let me show you how the individual braid looks. Even though you're looking at my hair, let me show you. This is how it looks. It's real tiny like that. Do you realize how long it would take me if I did this on my own? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I don't know. And this is what I did. I just opened up the top and just crocheted. So this is the smallest twist. Oh, I'm sweating so much. You have to excuse me. But yeah. And so it says Innocence Luxury Premium Hair, Easy Braid Series, Easy Twist, Hot Water Curl, and yeah, I did curl the ends hot water and the small perm rods. It says Easy Twist Hot Water Curl, and then it says this product is pre-hot water set braid. You can use to hot water set and use to hot water curl, make your own style. Easy lock, tangle free, soft and wearable, ultra light hot water setting, itch free, made with Spectra antibacterial fiber, and that's what it says. And food for the hungry. Okay, so they actually take part of the money and they feed people in Africa. A part of the sales profit will be used to support the undernourished children in Africa. Oh, okay. I'm glad I got it. Every time I tried to get this, it was sold out. Sold out, you guys. I got 6 packs just to make sure, and I said, oh, I'm probably going to have the extra 2 packs. You know how I am, you guys. No, hon. No, no, no. And I use that weaving cap because, you know, certain spots is kind of thin. So I use the weaving cap so that I could put it everywhere I wanted to. And so, yeah, and I got my little beady bees trying to come back up here since it's almost the end of the day. And I'm really glad that I got this. So you guys can let me know what you think about this, okay? I love it. I love it. This is my summer hairstyle. It's so hot. It's hot in California, you guys. Okay, so here you go. There you go. Yep. And I know you guys are laughing at me. It seems like every time I come on here, it's something different hairstyle and all that, right? Yeah, I work for my hairstyles. Okay, so there you go. That's my twist crochet install results. It took entirely too long for me to actually video what I did, so I just went ahead and put it in because I had to take my time. This is tiny, but that's what I wanted. I wanted tiny. So there you go. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a wonderful, blessed day. Take care and stay safe.